Good morning, investors. This is W back from W Investing. The word double, the letter U, investing. You can search W Investing on Google and get more information, or go to WInvesting.com. This morning we're looking at some interesting stuff on the stock markets. This is the chart of the S&P 500 over the last few months, and this is last week. And as you can see, we're sitting right at the 50-day moving average. Last night I did a video on weekly predictions and said we needed some conviction off the 50-day moving average higher, or it could drop lower and we could see a steady move down. Well, this morning we're seeing stock futures plummet. The S&P stock futures are down 14 at about 8 o'clock 61. That would put us down here in this level, which is significantly lower than the 50-day moving average. And interestingly, if I add the 20-day moving average to this chart, you'll see that it has turned over and is heading lower, which is not a bullish sign for the near term. The green line is rolling over, as you can see, and it looks like the blue line is starting to roll over as well. So if we have a significant down day today, we could see some consolidation under the 50-day moving average for a little bit of time. The same thing with the NASDAQ. A couple weeks ago I said that the 3,000 mark psychological barrier that was going to be tough to break, and the NASDAQ just jumped right above it without any problems in this area. But now we're right back to this 3,000 level, and today we're going to open below it. The NASDAQ doesn't really have futures, but looking at the NASDAQ 100, it's quite obvious that the tech index is going to open up much lower. And looking at my stocks this morning in the pre-market, almost every one of them are in the red, and I've done very well over the last several months. I'm up over 25% this year, but today does not look like it's going to start out as a good day. This could be the flushing out of the weak hands, and then we see a trade higher later in the day. Or we could just see heavy volume down. I mean, the last 2 days of trading has been heavier volume days, and we've been lower. So if we see heavy volume today and it's lower, we could be in a market correction. I'll keep you updated. Just as a heads up, gold's down $14 today as well. So it's, well under its moving averages as well. I'll show you a chart of gold. And as you can see here, gold is below all of its moving averages. The 20-day is really being a problem for gold. Every time it goes above it, it bounces right back down. And today, so gold and the stock market are struggling on this Monday morning on April 23rd. But I will continue to keep you updated. Check out W Investing for more information, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you do in fact like it.